It's 8:15 a.m. We're in Peoria, Arizona. The little neighborhood hardware store that I like so much just opened up, and I'm going to go in and get some things. I don't ride the trike to run errands, but I can. Mostly I just ride around looking at stuff. But it's nice to be able to carry things, which I can do. Come on and ride along with me. I'll show you what I'm looking at and how I got here. I headed out a little after 7. This is the, I guess you'd call it the Sundance neighborhood because there's Sundance School and Sundance Park. Nice and quiet. I've been working in the garden lately, doing some small repairs, and I threw a piece of misting line in my carrier, both to be able to match it up and to remind me that I wanted to stop at the hardware store. I've never been a truck driving man, so I'm not the kind of guy who would go to the lumber store and buy planks or 2x4s or something. But even with my little cars, I could carry things. Even my MG Midget had a trunk. It was tiny, but it had a trunk. And of course, as usual, I'm going to stop at Jack in the Box for coffee. So if I don't go to the hardware store, it can wait till the next day or the next day. There's no hurry. I use my trike to go to the grocery store, but just little things like milk or veggies and stuff like that. The bigger stuff, I order online and a truck comes by and they drop it off for me. In spite of my age, I'll be 70 in a couple of years. I'm very comfortable with technology, so I can use the web or my phone. I used to teach computer graphics. Kind of grew up with it, with my career. I even named my first dog Macintosh. Like the computer. And just in case you're wondering, this video is shot on my iPhone, which is, and let's see, version so old that I should be upgrading it, but it works fine, so I'm going to hang on to it. Another regular errand that I do is go to the water machine. But really, I don't do too many errands. I'm just riding around, looking at stuff. By the way, when I stop in at the grocery store, I bring along a list, just written down on a piece of paper. That works just fine for me. No need to use technology just to use it for the sake of it. And if you're using your brain for something you could write down and look at later, I'm going to recommend that you don't. Save that brain power for more important things, like remembering people's names. It is just glorious this morning. We had a little bit of a heat wave recently, and if you've been watching my last couple of videos, you may have noticed that I'm back to wearing long pants. I was wearing shorts for a couple of weeks, and it was hot. Now it's really nice. Okay, now we're coming up on a major street. That's Cactus Road up there, so I'm going to ease on over to the other side, and then I'm going to get up onto the sidewalk once I get there. Cactus Road does have a bike lane, but it's legal to ride carefully and slowly on the sidewalks, and besides, I'm going the wrong way for the bike lane. Okay, here's the shopping center where the Jack in the Box is, where I stop and get my coffee, and then way off in the distance, you really can't see it, it's the other corner of the shopping center, is the hardware store, where I'll go after I enjoy some coffee. Well, thanks for riding along with me and seeing things through my point of view. I'll see you next time.